In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free on your PC or laptop. First, open any web browser on your computer and search for Minecraft Trial. From the search results, open the official Minecraft website. Once you're on the official website, look for the download options and select your operating system. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, choose the Windows version and download the official Minecraft launcher. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Minecraft launcher on your computer. After the installation is complete, open the launcher and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one from the official Microsoft website. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Minecraft launcher. From here, select the Available Trial option and follow the instructions to start the trial. After the required files finish downloading, you can launch Minecraft and start playing. And that's it! This is how you can download and play Minecraft on your PC using the official free trial. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.